Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. As you can see, I have here the Huawei P50 Pro, brothers, with EMUI 12. This is the European version, and it comes with Snapdragon 888 Snapdragon with 4G support. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play in this phone. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. So, brothers, this is the EMUI 12 device, and with EMUI 12 we can't install the Google Fire and other preferred methods, but we still have the GSpace. So you have to go to App Gallery, open App Gallery, search for GSpace and install this application. And I'm going to show you the GSpace with Google Play icon hack. So install GSpace, open it, tap on Start, allow all necessary permissions, and tap on Continue right here. And the GSpace is loading, so we have to wait. And okay, we are here, brothers. So now tap on Please enable installation permission. Tap on this and go back. We have add here, and as you can see, we have here some shortcuts, but the Google Play icon is missing. So now it's time to open your browser. The link is in description of this video, brothers. So go to description and tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website, to the site Fontech. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, until you see this GSpace 1.0.5 with Google Play icon hack. Tap on it. The media fire page will pop up, open, tap on this big blue button and tap on download right here and wait until the file is downloaded. Now search for your files, application. The file is still downloading, so we have to wait. But search for your files application, this one. Open it, tap on Download Manager, and we have to wait until the download is finished. So we're almost there, brothers, and we are here. So tap on this file you already downloaded, tap on it. 4 dots here and extract to, and OK, and tap on yes. Complete all, yes. So this is the extracted file. Open it and install this shortcut maker. Tap on it, tap on allow, tap on install, tap on open. Got it. Go back to your files and now open the Play GSpace shortcut. Tap on it, other right here, shortcut maker, this one, and always, and tap on create shortcut and add. And as you can see, we have the Google Play, the icon on home screen. So tap on it. You can see opening Google Playstore. This is add, that's okay, that's normal, and tap on sign in right here. So you can see Google Play Protect is turned on, and now you are able to sign in with your Google account. So I'm gonna sign in. Okay, and tap on agree. And now if you open the Google Play icon, there is add, of course, and as you can see, I have here the Google Play page, and from here I can download all I want. For example, YouTube, brothers. tap on install, and YouTube will be installed on your Huawei P50 or P50 Pro or P50 Pro Plus. This is the Huawei P50 Pro. I will show you the European version with EMUI 12, about phone, P50 Pro, EMUI 12.0.1 with 8 gigs of RAM. Tap on again on the play icon. It will open the ad, but that's normal. But you have the shortcut direct to Google Play page, and that's cool. And as you can see, the YouTube is still downloading, so we have to wait. And after the YouTube is downloaded, I'm gonna tap on that application and the app will start. I will show you, will open. So YouTube already installed, tap on open, wait, and the YouTube will open, as you can see, with everything. And this is my favorite YouTuber, as you can see. Subscribe to this guy, he is king. And brothers, and also subscribe to his second phone tech shorts channel, brothers. He's awesome. So this was how to install, how to use Google Play GSpace on your Huawei P50 Pro smartphone, brothers. So I do hope you ended up enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay phone tech, bros. I love you. Ahoy.